Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, specifically La Mer. Welcome! If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Morgan, and look at this beautiful jar of miracle broth. If you have been watching me for a long time, you guys know my ultimate favorite skincare brand has, and at this point probably always will be, because it has yet to be dethroned, La Mer. And I am coming to you today to give you guys a full review, final thoughts, and demonstration on the most loved and coveted La Mer, the Lifting and Firming Mask. You guys may be surprised by my final conclusion, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out my thoughts and opinions throughout. So without further ado, let's get started. Before though, grab yourself a drink, grab yourself a coffee, grab yourself a drink of water. Don't mind if I do. Make yourselves comfortable because we're gonna have a blast on this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. This beauty queen right here, guys, let me just, guys, so many people have told me that this is their hero skincare product. They just love this mask. It's like a hero La Mer product for them. This product is supposed to come in, sit on your skin for 8 minutes before you apply your final La Mer moisturizer, and it is supposed to lift, plump, and firm, and basically just give your skin that boost of elasticity that it needs, especially if you're just dull and you're just looking tired. And guys, if you don't know, I suffer from chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, so I'm always like looking a little tired. You know what I'm saying? I'm always looking a little, a little exhausted. So I was like, it's time that I just indulge. So let's just get started. This is the packaging. I did purchase, because it comes in 2 sizes. We're gonna go over pricing. I purchased the big one. Of course, I figured I'm just gonna go full on in with this one because it was just so loved. This is $275. That's pricey. And for $275, you get 1.7 fluid ounces. You get this jar right here, gorgeous, gorgeous classic La Mer. It's clear packaging. It's not that classic La Mer green, but that's okay. I'll show you guys the texture. And then you get, which I'm really impressed with, is you get this gorgeous application brush right here. Now guys, I typically, like when I use cosmetics and they come with these brushes, and I'm sure you guys can relate, usually these are flimsy and like nobody wants to use these and you end up just tossing them, but that's not the case with this brush. This brush's bristles are so soft and so nice and so luxurious. Like it's so delicate on your face. Like you're gonna love this brush and you're gonna want to use it like all the time. Like you're gonna want to keep this brush. So this is worth it in it, and like on it, honestly, it's like a bonus for the price, because let me say something, $275 is pretty expensive. And or you can get the mini size for 0.5 ounces, and that will cost you $85. So that's a big price difference between the large and the small. However, it's also a big product difference. Like the difference between 0.5 fluid ounces and like 1.7 fluid ounces is pretty significant. So you're definitely getting more product for the price. It's totally up to you guys, like whether you want a small size or a big size. Like it's hard for me to say like, oh yeah, just go all in and just get the biggest one. Like it's really your call. I do have to say with this product, a little goes a very, very long way, just like all La Mer products do. That's one of my favorite parts about this brand, is that even though they're so expensive and people get so intimidated by the high price point, you will have this product for so long. And even if you do just decide, hey, you know what, I don't want to spend $275 on a mask, I want to go in, on the $85 mask and try to find 20% off somewhere and pay even less, which is like more power to you, girl, because I do that all the time. You could still have that for a significant amount of time. So that's just something to consider when it comes to price. I always try to like help you guys out when it comes to pricing, because I know skincare is, especially in the luxury skincare game, it's a big investment when you first start out in the luxury skincare game, and it's still an investment for me to this day. Before I apply this, I do want to let you know I'm on the Sephora website. Just FYI, if you guys ever want really good information on products, if Sephora carries it, I personally like the way Sephora explains products better than like the La Mer website. I don't know, that's just me, but I also like the way I explain products products more than all the website. So, what it is, it's a luxurious cream, leave-on cream face mask to help visibly uplift and firm. The skin types it's good for is normal, dry, combination, oily. It's good for all skin types, basically. It's very gentle. I agree with the oily skin type to a point. It's very, very, very hydrating. This helps you with loss of firmness and elasticity, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness and uneven texture, and the formulation is a cream. One of the things I really wanted to talk to you guys about, and it has formula call outs in here, or ingredient call outs. What I really like here is the product is also vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Guys, La Mer is owned by Estee Lauder, and Estee Lauder has been known to not be a cruelty-free brand, and as a result, they have lost. I personally know people who are dying to try La Mer, but will not because it was not a cruelty-free brand. So the fact that it now seems that this product is cruelty-free, I just wanted to point that out to you guys. Don't kill me or don't kill the messenger. I'm just calling that out for you guys because I know that's a very sensitive subject and people really care about that. What else we all need to know is this is crafted with the concentrated miracle broth. You guys, miracle broth is at the heart of every gorgeous La Mer product. That's basically what we're paying for. The miracle broth, at the end of the day, no one really knows how it's formulated, even though people will try to tell you that like Nivea cream is like La Mer. It's not. Nivea cream doesn't have the miracle broth, and at the end of the day, nobody could replicate the miracle broth because they just, at the end of the day, do not know how it's formulated. I can attest to that because they have tried helping brands out with coming up with the La Mer dupe that I have refused to sign off on because they just couldn't do it, and they were using very prominent research labs, and I was like, nope. Next. Let's see. So it's got the concentrated lifting ferment that this face mask infuses skin with serum strength sculpting power. Working in synergy with skin's natural renewal process, this treatment helps uplift the look of your face and neck, helping create a more refined appearance. And then of course the ingredients list is like, wow, like I can't even like begin. Like La Mer ingredients lists are so long, but like if you go through them, they're like insane. Oh, also what I wanted to call out, because people get so like bent out of shape with La Mer fragrance, I wanted to let you know that this product contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrances. Just FYI, if you're sensitive to fragrances. Enough babbling, Morgan. Let's pop this jar open and get it on our face. Packaging is great. You open it up. Do I think it's a little dated with the way it applies? Yeah, these jars are a little, like I don't like it, but whatever. I still, fresh jars of La Mer. Anyway, then it comes with this seal here. It says La Mer going around it, and then you have this, you know, that you could just pull it off, which is, I think, great. And of course, it has branding of La Mer all over the place, which we're obsessed with. And then there is the product. Even though the packaging isn't that classic La Mer sea-sourced green color, you still get that magical La Mer green in the jar. Oh, I love the way it smells. You guys, can we just, guys, if you have your La Mer products right now, just take them and give them a whiff with me. Just engage with me right now. Just, I love the way La Mer smells. I don't even care. I can't even believe it's less than 1% of fragrance in here. It's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna use our insanely luxurious brush. Look at those bristles. They're so soft. So nice. Like, look at that. I just love it. And it even says like La Mer here. Like, it's just so cute and so pretty. Now I'm gonna put some of the formula on the back of, oh my God. So guys, when they say apply this, they say apply it with a very thin layer. This is as thin of a layer, like this is gonna cover a large portion of my face. When I said a little goes a long way, I meant it. This product gives you a ton of coverage with a very small amount. This is not about how thick you can get it. It's about just covering your skin with this beautiful miracle broth and letting your skin soak it up for 8 minutes. I'm gonna put it on the back here. So I'll try to rub it in for you, but So here is the texture, just in case you wanted to see it kind of caressed down the back of my hand. Again, this is going all the way down. Just a little dab that I took from what I put on the back of my hand is going all the way down. And let me tell you something, if you can come through this camera and feel just how soft this is making my skin right now, it's honestly incredible, incredible. But honestly, that's La Mer for you. Truly, like that's La Mer for you. So what they recommend is you just take this great brush. I just want to put the cap on it because I don't like to let my skincare products be exposed to air for too long, obviously, because it like decreases the formulation's like effectiveness. But we're gonna I always start when I apply masks, I start from the center of my face and work out. That's just how I work. But you just take this amazing brush. I also have my mirror here as always, and I just sweep it out. And look at how this kind of just goes. You see that? Look at how amazing it is. And they do recommend that you apply it with upward sweeping motion. So that's what I try to do. I'll take it all the way up my forehead, all the way around my eyes, and just take it up. Keep in mind, this is still a lot of formula on the back of my hand. I just covered my whole face with as much product, and I still feel like it was a lot for my face. Like I have excess going on my face. So that's just a tidbit. If you're looking for affordability purposes, like just so you know, like that's the real tea. I take it all on my jawline. Also, I try to work it like in my smile lines right here. See this? Because I'm a smiler. And I also try to just like bring it gently like up around my eye area. I also love to just have that miracle broth all around my eye area. And this brush there's like no other way I would prefer to apply this cream. I would never want to apply it with my hands. This brush just does such an amazing job. Definitely use it. It's worth it. I will take the excess from this brush and I will just put it on the back of my hands. I never like to waste La Mer ever, so the back of your hands age just as fast. Like your neck ages very quickly, the back of your hands age very quickly, so I never like to miss an opportunity to use all excess skincare on the back of my hands. But what you do next is you have to put this on your face for 8 minutes so the product can oxidize. So I'm gonna set myself a timer. My face feels very soft. It does not feel greasy. It does not feel tacky. It doesn't feel oily. It feels like that velvety texture that La Mer always gets. Like if you guys ever use the concentrate, how it has that like underlying velvety texture, that's how this feels sitting on your face. It doesn't feel like the original creme sitting on your face. The original creme can come off as a little greasy feeling. This does not have that type of texture. So I think that's what oily skin types will like. Now, while we're waiting for this to dry, I wanna talk about the types that would like the skin types that would like this product. Now, dry skin types are obviously gonna like this product. It's nourishing, it's hydrating, it brings life to your skin. You're going to brighten up and evolve. You're gonna like it. Oily skin types, I just want you to watch because of how hydrating this could be, especially if you're gonna apply something like creme de la mer over this afterward, or if you're gonna apply a serum after this, then a La Mer cream. Just watch because you could break out. Like I've broken out in the past using this product because the products were just too hydrating for me, and maybe I was using the wrong products for my skin type. I'm combinations type skin, so like I definitely get a little more oily in the summer. So just watch what you're applying when using this product. This might be enough for you at bedtime. Just watch. You could definitely use this, but I think what you apply after it is going to be important with your skin types. Just make sure you're using the right moisturizer, or maybe not even a moisturizer at all when using this product. Hi you guys. Okay, so it has been the full 8 minutes and then some, and I have let this product fully oxidize on my skin. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this product. I do feel, when even just touching my skin right now, I do feel firmer. I do feel like it does something for my skin. I feel like it did not perform a miracle. I'm just being honest. I don't know if it's because I just am so used to La Mer products that am just so accustomed to the feeling of these products on my face that it's not like a wow factor for me. Like, I see such a difference because I'm constantly using La Mer products on my skin, and like I've just become accustomed to like the Miracle Broth in general, which is like a total possibility. And I wouldn't say that this is like my miracle product. Now, that doesn't go to say that other people don't think that, because so many people say that this is their savior. I'm gonna be honest with you. Fully, truly, transparently being honest with you, a lot of people are gonna disagree with me, and I totally understand, and I'm here for it, but I'm truly just here to give you guys my honest feedback and opinion. Would I repurchase this mask again? I don't think so, because I just haven't been blown away with the results. I have noticed a bigger difference in my skin sampling the La Mer Night Balm Genaissance de La Mer version. I'll put that right there. That I actually felt my skin become firmer. I felt a bigger reaction from that than I do this. And again, I don't know if it's because of my vigorous La Mer routines that my skin has just become accustomed to it or what. It's just hard when you come on here and disagree with so many people. Okay, that's just how it is for me, you know, because you want to think the way everybody else is thinking, because you think in your head that you might be missing something. So it's hard for me to do it, but I have to go with my true instinct. I don't think this product is a bad product. I don't think the product is ineffective, because I do see a difference on my skin. I do feel firmer, and I do think that whoever uses this product is going to like it. I personally, on my skin, don't see this dramatic amazingness that everyone else sees. I don't know if maybe the product was just amped up too much to my, like, maybe like from reading so many reviews, maybe I expected too much from it. Maybe that could be the case. And it kind of like didn't blow me away as a result, because people literally have been telling me that this literally changed their lives, and like, oh my God, like it like is this holy grail product. So like maybe I was expecting that and I just didn't get it with this product. Like, it's effective for me. It's just not up to my standard of blowing me away. I think it's a good product. I don't think it's a great, I'm gonna repurchase this every single day. It's gonna make my La Mer favorites list. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm gonna shout it from the rooftops. Do I think it gives me my dose of Miracle Broth heaven that I love, and it gives me this luxurious experience with the brush, and I get a little firm, and I'm just feeling myself, and I love it, and it's just my little kiss of La Mer for the day? Yes. In Morgan Talks language, this is my mirror. Yes, like that's how I feel. In Morgan Talks language, do I feel like I want to just, you know, bounce around YouTube and just be that crazy La Mer girl and just like be like, oh my God, everyone needs to buy this now, it's life-changing? No. It just doesn't wow me as much anymore, because my skin has just become so accustomed to excellence that maybe it just is what it is, you know? Maybe that's just the life of a skincare queen, a beauty queen, and that's just what it is. Everybody, thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you have this product and it works great for you and it's a holy grail for you, fantastic. I love that for you. I'm so happy. If you don't like this product, I'm sad. I wish you did. I still like this product, so it does get my stamp of approval, but you guys know my final thoughts on it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a long one. I had so much to say because you guys know it's a La Mer product and I can go on and on and on and on and on. Everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. I love you. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I see a huge, huge hole in the skincare community when it comes to luxury skincare. There is such a gap in unaffordable skincare right now that I just wish people had a different outlook and options for people to watch. That's why I'm here to give you guys that option. I love you guys. If you guys want to know about expensive skincare, bye. Mwah.